This is a Lincoln grease pump. It is the SKF model. I don't know if they supply it, but that's what it would appear. There's a number I found online. I'll get into that in a minute. It comes with about a quarter of this 120-pound, 35-gallon grease. That's what the grease is. There's, like I said, it's probably somewhere around here. It's got about a 6-foot grease hose. It's just got this 1/4-inch footing on the end because it had a quick disconnect on it, but it's no longer on there. Anyways, air in, this is how you do it. Don't want to waste too much grease, but you see that's how it goes. And that's the unit. It's got this swivel on here. It's on a 2-wheel dolly. And that's the unit. It's going to have to be truck shipped if you're interested. If not, I can just ship the pump. But let me know. Thank you.